Hey, good morning, everybody. I wanted to come on live and really just wish everyone a beautiful and wonderful, happy 2025, live from Wyoming. As you can see, it is snowing out here. It's a beautiful winter wonderland, totally inspiring and exciting. And really just wanted to say from everybody at Lucosky Brookman, including myself, we're so grateful for your friendship and our connections to all of our clients and referral partners and friends in the industry. We really are excited for 2025. Okay, let's talk about the top 5 microcap predictions coming out of the Lucosky Brookman data desk. And I'm going to tell you, we really believe number 5 is going to come true. So stay tuned. Okay, number 1, we think that the microcap IPO world will continue to grow in terms of number of deals and also median offering size. For the first time in a number of years, the microcap IPOs have crossed the 100 deal threshold. That is much better than 2023 and a lot better than 2022. We also think that there'll be some momentum in the upsizing of deals, and the median offering price will go from hovering around 6 to 7 million up to 8, 9, maybe even $10 million. We think there is a lot of momentum post-election in the microcap and emerging growth space. So we're looking forward to more deals and a higher median and average offering price. Number 2, we think the uplist market is going to come back and show some signs of life in 2025. Remember, NASDAQ changed the reverse split and simultaneous pricing rule about 18 and 24 months ago. In addition to some other factors, that industry has cooled. But we are seeing signs of life. In November alone, there were 8 uplist transactions. That hadn't happened for the previous 12 months. 4 of them were organic, which means they were strong enough to just list on their own without a capital raise, and the other 4 raised capital. So we are seeing signs in the uplist market, and we have high hopes for 2025 with the current momentum. Okay, number 3, and this one's a big one. As a lot of you know, NASDAQ quietly proposed some new rules over the Christmas holiday. And it basically says that if you're a microcap company and want to list on its exchange, you have to raise at least $15 million in offering proceeds. They are no longer going to give the same weight to legacy shareholders or resale shareholders or Rule 144 shareholders to get to that $15 million public float. We think that is a terrible idea. We do not believe ultimately that the commission will pass that rule for a number of reasons. But the biggest reason is that in 2024, out of the 80 plus deals that were listed on just NASDAQ alone, 90% of them would not have been approved if this rule was in place. We don't think this is a good idea. We do think, though, however, that NASDAQ is on the right track, proposing solutions to keep our market safe and more transparent, to keep the volatility, to an absolute minimum, especially when these companies are getting out of the gate and trading. But ultimately, we don't think this is a good proposal for entrepreneurs, for capitalism, for our markets, and for our emerging growth ecosystem. So we do not believe this rule will be passed by the SEC. Number 4, we think that domestic companies are going to make a comeback in 2025. Remember, in 2024, foreign private issuers dominated the microcap marketplace. In 2021, when everything was good and the markets were incredible and chugging along, domestic companies were a large part of the market share and foreign private issuers took a back seat. In 2024, where things got a little bit more challenged, the foreign private issuers took a front seat and domestic companies took a back seat. We believe in 2025 that domestic companies here in the U.S. will regain some market share and play a more prominent role in the microcap IPO landscape. Number 5. This one really took our Lucosky Brookman data desk a lot of time to figure out and analyze. We believe that Seth Farbman, who is one of the strongest and most prominent ambassadors in the microcap community, will start another business wrapped around the emerging growth ecosystem. It's not enough that he started one of the most prominent Edgar companies, or one of the most prominent stock transfer companies, or a V-filing company, or a background check company, or a D&O company, or as his latest venture, a LinkedIn consulting company. We do believe that in 2025, yes, Seth Farbman will yet again start another business wrapped around the microcap ecosystem. So there you have it, the Lucosky Brookman Data Desk 2025 predictions for the microcap industry. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know your predictions. Comment below. Tag us in your videos. It's all good. Again, wishing everyone a very wonderful, energetic, enthusiastic, and successful 2025.